Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you're doing great, amazing, wonderful, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your messages and the energies from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. And I'm so sorry, I'm not well at all. I'm having my cough, fever. You can get to know by my voice. Okay, so today I just cut short the video and I do the offline reading fast so that I can make a short video on that, because I was getting the energies and I start picking it up. And once I start picking the energies, I got beautiful messages for you. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, so the bottom of the deck I'm having Fool here. This is the deck which I use for divine masculine. This is the divine masculine energy here on the up. Okay, so this is the divine masculine energy, and bottom of the deck I'm having Fool here. Right now they are unable to make a decision here. Okay, they are unable to make a decision with the Two of Swords, but they will take a leap of faith here. They will take a leap of faith. Why they are unable to make a decision? Because they are having a lot of confusion here. Can you see the Moon card is here? So Moon is here, and because of that they're feeling restricted. They're feeling restricted with the Eight of Swords. Okay, so they're feeling restricted because of the confusion. Moon energy is here, but don't worry, don't worry, they will take a leap of faith here, and that's beautiful. Why I'm saying that? Because this is the deck which I use for divine feminines here, and this is the divine feminine energy. I'm going to show you all what are the messages, but before that I'm going to show you this is the Fool, and here I'm having Four of Wands. See, so this is your energy, divine feminine. You both are having the same energies. That's beautiful. The Fool energy is here for you too. Okay, the Fool. You will also take a leap of faith. Can you see? This is the divine masculine and the divine feminine energy. You both are taking the leap of faith and moving in a forward direction, and that's beautiful. And I use this Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. In the bottom of the deck I'm having Destiny. Can you see? In this is your destiny. This is your twin flame. You both are destined to be with each other. Okay, you are made for each other by the divine here. You okay? So yes, and can you see one is wearing the black one and one is the white one? So yin and yang, twin flame. So beautiful. This is your destiny. Okay, this is your destiny. You have to be together again. So now let's start the reading from the divine masculine sides one by one. So the first card for divine masculine, I got Release. Okay, and I'm sorry I'm making this video in a different way today because I'm not well at all. So I'm making it differently today. Okay, so the first card I'm getting for divine masculine is Release. Okay, so they have to release the heartbreak, the heart pain. Here, the third party situation, Three of Swords, the heartbreak, the pain which they are having in their heart. Here, they have to release that. Okay, and many of them are releasing it. Okay, maybe they are ending the third party situation here. That can be a possibility for some of you. And if it is not a third party, then they are going to release the pain which they are having in their heart because of the past third party situations. But they are releasing it. They have to release it, and they are going to release it. The next is insecurity. Here they are very insecure. They are very insecure about you, divine feminines. Okay, they have to release insecurity too. Okay, and can you see there is here I can see a devil energy, and which is attached to the heart. Can you see in the both pictures there is heart? So they have to do their healing here, and they're very insecure. They don't want to lose the divine feminines, and because of this insecurity they are spending sleepless nights here. Nine of Swords. They cannot sleep at night. They're thinking about you a lot. They're feeling very insecure. Okay, and here I'm having Six of Pentacles. So they want to give you equal amount of give and take, but right now they are unable to make a, okay, maybe in the past they were unable to make a equal amount of give and take. So, and this is what they're getting to know, that they were, divine masculines were unable to give equal amount of give and take, and because of that they're spending sleepless nights and they're very insecure. Okay, so they're very insecure right now. They have to release this insecurity. And the next card for divine masculine is acceptance. Okay, so the third card for them is acceptance. They have to accept here. The next card I'm going to show you is soulmate. So they have to accept that you are the twin flame for them. Okay, you are the soulmate for them. So they have to accept that. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here. Maybe they are having a lot of options here with the Seven of Cups. I know they are having, divine masculines are having many options, but they have to accept here that this Ten of Cups, happy family, happy life, they can make this happy life, happy family with you only, because you are the soulmate for them. Okay, so they have to do the acceptance that whether they are having lot of options to choose, okay, but you are the only one who is the destiny for them, with whom you are destined to be with them only. You both are destined to be with them, each other. Then there is Star card here. Okay, there is soulmate here, there is Star card, and there is Hangman, there is Four of Swords, and there is Chariot. Okay, so right now they're feeling like an hangman here, but don't worry, they are doing the healing here. Can you see the Four of Swords is here? There was Three of Swords here. Now they are doing the healing, they're resting and they are rejuvenating themselves. Maybe they was in a hangman situation. Okay, but don't worry, there is a light here. Okay, there is a light and they will move in a forward direction with the Chariot here. They will move in a forward direction. They're going to know that what is right and what is wrong for them, what is black and what is white. Okay, and there is Star here, so there is new hopes, new desires which is coming for this person's. Okay, they know that you are the one who gives new hopes, new desire. The soulmate card is here, so this is you, divine feminines. You give them new hopes, new desires, and they know that you are the one who give them new hopes, new desires. Maybe right now they are in a hangman situation, but don't worry, they are doing their healing. That's the best part here, but they have to do their healing and they are doing it, and they will move in a forward direction. Next is balance here. In this card there is no balance, in this situation. I told you they want to give you equal amount of give and take here, but in the past they were unable to give you the balance, the equal amount of give and take. There was no balance in a relationship. Okay, now they are very slow here with the Knight. Let me get these cards and make some space. Okay, and before I was not I want to tell you one more thing. I thought that I'm not going to make a video today, but I got so beautiful message that I need to share with you. Then I thought that okay, fine, let's make it. Let's deliver these messages because it is necessary to deliver. So right now they are keeping the temperance here. Can you see? They're keeping the patience here. They're keeping the patience. They're going through with lot of pain. Can you see? Ten of Swords energy is here. They're going through with lot of pain here, and they are holding back from you. They're holding back from you, and they process at a very slow, because Knight of Pentacle is the slowest knight in the whole tarot. But now they're rushing towards you. Can you see? They're rushing towards you, they're coming towards you, and they're manifesting here. The Magician and the Knight of Swords. So they're coming towards you. They have all things to manifest here. Right now they're holding back. Okay, right now they're holding back because they're going through with a lot of pain here. And they're keeping the patience. Okay, they're keeping the patience here. Now the next card is isolation, King of Wands, the Devil, and the Death. Right now they are in a isolation. Okay, they are not in. They are not meeting them with anyone. 1010 completion. Okay, was there world card completion? I can say that they are in separation with everyone. Okay, isolate. They are divine masculines are in isolation. Okay, the devil was attached to the divine masculine, but don't worry, the death card is here, so this toxicity is going to end. Okay, so this toxicity is going to end, and this kind of person, your divine masculine, is someone who is very attractive, very, you know adventurous, very attractive, mysterious, and that person who loves to, you know be with the persons. Okay, I can say that loves to do, cannot stay alone, now is in isolation. They are right now in an isolation. Okay, they are not meeting anyone, and they are in isolation. But whatever toxicity was attached to this person, that is going to end here. The death card is here. And one more thing I'm going to see here, in your reading too, I got this devil energy here with the completion. That's why I'm saying that this toxicity is going to end. This is your reading, divine feminines. This is your energy. See, whatever toxicity was attached, that is going to complete. Completion in the devil. Okay, because you did not ready to open up. Maybe they approach you, but you were holding back. You were holding back from this person. You did not open up yourself, and that's why this is ending here. Once you deny, once you break the cycle. Okay, and I think many of you divine feminines, you have break the cycle. You did not accept the toxicity from the divine masculine. You did not ready to open up. Okay, can you see? Four of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the Temperance. You did not ready to open up, and because of that they got the pain here. Ten of Swords. This is why the completion is here. This is why the completion is here, because you did not accept it. You did not accept the devil energy. You said, no, I don't want to deal with the toxicity. Very good, I'm proud of you. Then there is complacency, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Ace of Swords, Three of Swords, and Six of Cups. So they are, see, can you see, they are not happy at all. They're losing all hopes. Okay, but they are going to come back here. They're going to come back. They're missing you here. They're missing you, and this is their energy. This is their energy. Here in your reading, I'm having King of Pentacles. Okay, and here I'm having Queen of Pentacles, both. Okay, so this is divine masculine. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles is divine masculine. Divine masculine is keeping tabs on you here. Page of Swords is here. They are someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage his finances. This is someone from your past. This is also a soulmate card, Six of Cups. Okay, with whom you have spent many past lives together. They are going to get the clarity, Ace of Swords, and they're coming. The ships are coming. They are making a plans to come towards you, divine feminines. They're making the plans because they're going to get the clarity here. Ace of Swords, they are getting the clarity, but they are keeping the tabs on you. They're keeping the tabs on you here. They're spying on you. Right now they're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, they're not happy at all, but they are going to get to know that where is the joy. Where is the joy? Okay, this is divine masculine's energy. They finally going to get to know that where is the joy, and they are going to come towards you with a stable committed offer. Many of you are going to get your marriage proposal with the Three of Pentacles. Can you see how this couple is standing here? Okay, so they are going to give you commitment here, and they will come towards a calmer waters, or you both will come towards a calmer waters. Can you see in this picture too, there is a couple and there is a kid too. So maybe you are having kid with this person. That can be a possibility, but you both will come towards a calmer water. Six of Swords, and there is two aces here. They're going to give you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions. So this is beautiful. So this is beautiful. This was the energies of your divine masculine. Now let's come towards divine feminine. Divine feminine, let me adjust my cards first. And I'm really sorry, this is, you know that I don't do reading like this. But okay, today I'm not well at all. I'm having fever. Okay, so the renewal will be happen for you. This is the divine feminine energy. The renewal will be happen for you. Okay, see again the death card is here. Death, Ace of Wands and the Emperor. Okay, whatever situation will be there, this is death and rebirth. They are going to, because they are having thoughts about you here, divine feminines. They are having thoughts about you, the Emperor. This is your divine counterpart. They're having the thoughts about you, and that's a renewal which is happening in your relationship, in your twin flame life, in your twin flame journey. Death and rebirth and renewal both are here. Can you see? So this relationship is going to renewed for you, divine feminines, because you are working on yourself. Can you see? In this picture, this girl is working on themselves, and there is enlightenment which is happening here. You are doing your healing, you're doing your inner work, and that's beautiful. Keep going it. So that's the first. Okay. So the next is trickery. Three of Pentacles, Temperance and Three of Wands. See, I told you Three of Wands was there in the divine masculine energy too. Here, they're coming towards you here. They tricked you here. They try to trick you. Okay, maybe some of divine masculine approach divine feminine. Okay, but they were not ready to give you a commitment here. But you keep your patience. You were keeping your patience, you were keeping the temperance, and now they are coming back. Three of Wands, they're coming back. They're coming back with an offer, with a stable committed offer. Next is Quest, Four of Swords, Page of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Maybe right now you are questioning a lot about your divine masculine, but the great part is you're doing your healing, and in your divine masculine also they were doing the healing. Okay, they were also resting and rejuvenating. You both are on a same page here. Okay, you are doing your questions to the divine, that when this divine masculine will be going to come towards me, but I'm going to do my healing here. And now you will receive some kind of small offers, a small message from this divine masculine. They're coming towards you with a lot of love, loyalty, love. Maybe your divine masculine wear watch. They love shoes. They love black color. And maybe they have tattoos. Okay. That can be a possibility for some of you. You will receive a message here from them. Maybe a small message, but they are coming. You both are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You both are doing the healing here. Can you see? You both are doing the healing, and that's great. So now let's see next message. Wisdom, Two of Swords, Eight of Wands and Six of Swords. So a lot of wisdom is coming towards you, divine feminine. Here, lot of wisdom is coming towards you. You're going to give you're going to get the blessings from the Mother Earth Gaia. Can you see? From the birds, from the divine, from the universe. You're getting a lot of wisdom here. Okay. Maybe right now you are unable to make a decision here, Two of Swords. But a lot of wisdom is coming towards you. Okay. There is a lot of communication which is coming for you, Eight of Wands. Okay. Communication is coming towards you from your divine masculine, and you will come towards the calmer waters. Can you see one thing, that you both are having the same cards? Many of the cards, many of the energies are the same. This was your divine masculine, Six of Swords, and this is yours, Six of Swords. Okay, so you will come towards the calmer waters here. Okay, right now maybe you are unable to make a decision here. You are unable to make a decision, but you will be making a decision very soon, because lot of wisdom is coming towards you. Next is completion. Okay, so cycle is going to complete in your life. Completion is happening. Okay, now let's see these cards, and this is very beautiful. I can say that. Why I'm saying that, I will tell you this. 10 of Cups. Okay, so yeah, so there is a completion which is happening here. Maybe with this divine masculine, you were having family here with the 10 of Cups. Okay, you were having a family, you were having kids, or you were already married to this person, or you want to get married with this person, you want to have family with that. But can you see, I told you your guards were up. The devil energy, they try to contact you again, and you were like, no, no, I'm not ready to accept it. I'm not ready to accept this toxicity. I'm sorry, stay away from me. Okay, you were like this, you were protecting your energy. You were protecting your energy, and you were saying that no, I don't want this toxicity, stay away from my life. And you were not ready to open up here. You are not ready to open up. 4 of Pentacles. Now they are coming towards you with the 6 of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. See the same cards here. Ace of Cups. That's why I thought that I have to make it, because this is very beautiful messages which I need to share with you. Okay, in both of, this is divine masculine. Divine masculine wants to give you a stability, and Ace of Cups here, emotional fulfillment. And here also I'm having Ace of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. They want to give you stability and a cup which is full of emotions. Can you see? This is beautiful. This is beautiful, I can say that. And I love this. And this completion is happening because you were not accepting the toxicity from your divine masculine. Your guards were up. Your guards were up, and you are not ready to open up. That's why this completion is happening. That's why this toxicity is getting removed from your life. Okay, and I'm proud of you, divine feminines. I'm proud of you, because I know that it is not easy to say no. But once you are in your own power, once the divine feminines are the divine feminines, they will accept what they truly deserves. Okay, and they know their worth. They know what they really deserve. Okay, next is forgiveness. 3 of Cups, Knight of Wands, 5 of Wands, Knight of Swords, Hierophant, and the Star. Okay, I show you the divine masculine energy too. They are rushing towards you, they're coming towards you. You need to forgive your divine masculine, yourself, and everyone who hurt you in the past. Divine feminines, this is the message that you need to give forgiveness. Forgiveness is required. Maybe because there was a third party situation in your case in the past. Okay, 3 of Cups. There was a lot of fighting, drama, argument, competition in your relationship. There was an in and out energy from your divine masculine. Okay, they every time they rush towards you, and they go back again. In and out energy. Okay, the Knight of Wands is a player kind of energy, but you need to forgive them here. Forgiveness is required, because now they are coming towards you with the new hope, new desires, the stars. Okay, new hopes, new desires are coming for you, and there is commitment which is coming for you, the Hierophant. Okay, so you need to forgive here. Forgiveness is required for divine feminines. You need to forgive. Forgiveness is required here. That's the message I'm getting here. Next is impatience. 4 of Cups and 2 of Cups. So some of you are getting impatient here. You want to, message or talk to your divine masculines, but have patience, divine feminines, have patience. Maybe you are not ready to accept a cup right now, but please see how this colorful cup is. Okay, don't be impatient. Don't be impatient. Just have patience and see how colorful this cup is, which is being offered to you here with the 4 of Cups. And see, this is two of cups energy. This is beautiful energy which is coming for you from the divine masculine. So have patience, don't be impatient here, divine feminine. That's the message. Have patience, see how colorful this cup is, and see the two of cups energy. This is beautiful. You need to see, don't be impatient here. Then there is confusion, hermit mode, queen of pentacle, and the strength. So right now the divine masculine is in confusion state here. Can you see? Divine masculine is having confusion. See, like my camera is getting blur again and again. Okay. So yeah. And they are in a hermit mode right now. They're doing the soul searching. They are getting the answers from their soul, and they're getting to know that what their soul wants. Okay. They're doing the soul searching here. The queen of pentacles and the strength. They are gaining the strength. And see, I told you, queen of pentacles and the king of pentacles both are here. This is the power couple which I am having here. Okay. So they are doing the soul searching. They will get the answers soon. They will release any confusion which they are having right now. They are gaining the strength here. Next is abundance here. Lot of abundance is coming for you, divine feminines. Lot of abundance is coming towards you. Okay, in terms of money, in terms of happiness, in terms of love, everything. Okay, lot of abundance is coming towards you. That's the message I'm getting for you. Then the last card for you is, okay, 1 minute, enlightenment. Okay, there is enlightenment which is happening for you. 6 of cups, 8 of cups, 10 of swords, 9 of cups, 6 of wands, wheel of fortune, and lovers. So I know your soulmate, your twin flame, walk in a forward direction, move in a forward direction, leaving you behind. Okay, but they're going through with lot of pain. Can you see 10 of swords? And in your divine masculine energy too, see, I told you they are going through with lot of pain, because they move in a forward direction thinking that they want wish fulfillment for them. They were not aware that you are the only one. You are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, but now they are getting success in knowing that you are the love of their life. Okay, I can see like this. Okay, now they're getting to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. They're getting the enlightenment here. Okay, because the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor here. Can you see? The good luck, the good karma is moving in your favor. Your soulmate, your twin flame is now going to understand that you are the wish fulfillment for them. They're going to get success in knowing that thing. They move in a forward direction, and once they move in a forward direction in search of 9 of cups, they got lot of pain. They're going through with lot of pain. Can you see? 10 of swords. But now they will get to know. They will get the enlightenment here. So this was the message which I was getting for you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and this is beautiful. This is the bottom of the deck energy, and the energy is that you will take a leap of faith. They will take a leap of faith here. You both are meant to be together here. The destiny card. Okay, so destiny, the fool, and the fool. Okay, so this was your reading. I hope it resonates with you, and I'm going to add some more messages. We'll make one more video in which I'm going to share you some more messages from your divine masculine. But this is what I'm having. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and light and healing light. Okay, to all of you, whoever is watching this video, take care of yourself. See you soon.